Hello, my name is Maria Miller from mathmammoth.com. In this lesson we're gonna study some simple angle relationships and then have a few equations to solve. And the first relationship is here. It has to do with two angles that share a vertex here, and they share one side too. And then here is just one line. So you can probably see this relationship that this and this angle must add up to 180 degrees, because this angle here in total is 180 degrees. Now, such angles are also called supplementary angles. So for example here, what would be the angle measure of angle x here? We have here one line, so therefore this total angle here must be the straight angle, 180 degrees. So x and 22 add to 180 degrees. We can write an equation. Even if you can solve this mentally without writing an equation, let's practice that. X plus 22 degrees equals 180 degrees. And now to solve this simple equation, you would do what? Subtract 22 from both sides, and then we get x equals 180 minus 22, which is 158 degrees. Now here, it looks a little bit more complex. Actually, it is just two of these kind of diagrams, because I have this one line here, and on this side of it, we have 127 degrees and x. So these two together are 180 degrees. And then also on this underside, so to speak, 60 degrees and y are together 180 degrees. So I will get two equations basically, x plus 127 degrees equals 180. Again, you would subtract to solve it, and we will get x equals 53 degrees. The same for y. We have y plus 60 equals 180 and y equals 120 degrees. Now over here, this angle here is a right angle, okay? It's marked with this square here. Then we have x and x. So let me write an equation. All three angles together now add up to 180 degrees, right? So I would have x plus 90 plus x, right? Because right angle is 90 degrees, and then that is 180 degrees. Okay, you can probably solve this. It is very easy to solve this without using an equation, because x and x together have to be 90 degrees, so x is half of 90, right? But when we solve an equation, let's also practice this. We have x and x, so adding those together, we get 2x. 2x and 90 equals 180. Now we subtract 90 from both sides, so we get 2x equals 90 degrees. Just what I told you a little bit ago, that these two must add up to 90 degrees, since here's 90. And then we take half of 90, x equals 45 degrees.